Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm gonna share the tomato sauce recipe with you. Here I'm taking 3 medium size of tomatoes. You can take 2 large and 1 medium, uh, but we have to just take more tomatoes because it's a tomato sauce. So 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, 1.5 tablespoon of cumin, and 4 to 5 cloves. Coriander leaves, as you can see, it's a half bunch of coriander leaves, and green chilies. You can take more green chilies if you want so spicy, or you can just decrease it. So let's start making it. We have to blend it. So now firstly we will add the tomatoes. Coriander leaves, green chilies, garlic, chili flakes, cumin, half teaspoon of salt. We don't need any water. If there is a requirement of water, or it's not blending or so thick, so you can add only 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. We will take it out. So our blended tomato sauce is ready. It's complete. We don't need to add anything in it, and it's so beneficial for your health. It's so beneficial for your digestion process, metabolism process. It will boost your metabolism process. So just take 1 to 2 tablespoons whenever you are taking lunch or dinner. It's really so useful and it's so healthy. So I hope you guys like this recipe. If you did, hit the like button, and we will meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.